ass.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
I just seen everything white.
And then like everything was shaking inside.
I know.
Your heart? That was so badass. So that's it. No, I don't think so. I think that was just like
The beginning.
hold on. I think that was just yeah. I told Lisa you're amazing. A big hungry ass. Because I told her you ate that whole chocolate cake. I said her and I ate 2 pieces, 2 bites, and that was all we could handle. You ate the whole thing. Oh, now you smile?
Oh, look at the water. It's right in it.
Oh no, you're gonna get wet and you're gonna melt. I think that was it. That was pretty sick. I gotta Facebook that.
Look at the hole.
Look, all the water inside. So cool.
I know.
They should warn somebody.